In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the most latest capabilities of advanced fees. So let's get started. So I'm going to open the advanced fees. We're going to start by setting up an item level fee, a fee that gets triggered only on a certain item. Okay, so we'll call it a bottle, for example. We're going to make this a flat fee of 45 cents. And we're going to assign this to a couple of our items. We're going to grab our soda pop. These two items, Pepsi and soda pop, will have 45-cent fee triggered, and we want that fee triggered as soon as these two items are added to the cart rather than the payment screen. It's an always fee, right? So we want to trigger this fee all the time. Other options are conditional or based on a question, or conditional on a total spend. And so we have 45 cents fee that gets triggered on the item. Let's demonstrate how that works. We're going to grab our register app. We're going to find our Pepsi item. Here it is. And there's a bottle fee, 45 cents. Very simple. And so now we're going to complicate things a little bit more. We're going to go back to our advanced fees, and we're going to add an additional fee. And this one, we'll call it a large party fee that is percentage based. Or how about concert day fee? Concert fee. And it's going to be percentage, and it's going to be 10% of an entire order. And the fee itself is going to be taxed, right? So whatever we're charging on a fee, we want that to be included in the tax as well. We also want that to be on an item added, and it's an always fee. So now we have two fees. We have one fee that handles two items, and it's a bottle fee. And we have another fee that handles a concert day, and it's an order level fee, 10% on the entire order. These things will cross, right? So let's see how that works out. And we'll grab our Pepsi to trigger the first fee. And as you can see, it now handles fee stacking, right? And it says, all right, so you have two fees triggering. One of them is an order. It's a concert fee. It's 10%. And the other one is triggering specifically on Pepsi bottle fee. And based on the current setting, you have to choose which one you want to trigger. So we'll go with the bottle fee. Okay, so there's the bottle fee, and it's forcing us to choose because currently the settings say do not allow stacking. And so we're going to go ahead and minimize this order for a second, open advanced fees, go back to the menu and click on duplication stacking settings right there. See, it says do not allow fee stacking. Good. So now we're going to say allow, always apply all triggered fees. So with this setting, all the fees, both of them, will automatically just trigger and nothing will get asked of a merchant. Let's see how that works. We're going to grab our register app and we'll do Pepsi first, just like before. And there it is. So Pepsi gets triggered, concert fee gets triggered, and as we add even a custom item into this scenario, does it get triggered or no? Yeah, concert fee gets triggered based on a custom item, but the custom item gets picked up after the pay button. All the other items get picked up normal. Here, ice cream, concert fee. We're just going to add a little bit more concert fee. Get the idea. The concert fee is there, the Pepsi is there, the bottle is there, and everything sort of kind of works together. Not sort of kind of, absolutely does work together. And so now we're going to go and say, all right, well, that was the always allow all the fees. So now we want to prompt me to select. Prompt you to select allows you to select all the fees, but also not if you need to. So that's like more control. Let's see how that works. You're going to register. We're going to hit save. And we're going to grab our Pepsi, right? Because that's going to trigger both fees. And now it's giving us an option to choose not between the two, but like we can basically select both of them, or we can select one, right? And so that's a major difference, is that we can actually select whatever fees we want, not just one of many. and say, yes, we want to trigger all of them. And on it goes. And so then for the rest of that transaction, that choice is remembered. Works with modifiers. All right. And then let's just see how that would show up on the receipt. So I'm going to pay cash. And we're going to say done. And so this is what it looks like on the receipt. Bottle fee, concert fee, sales taxes, different kinds of taxes. And there you go.